Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to install some front fender armor. So it's pretty easy to do on the front. Now I will have to trim these just a little bit because my fenders are cut already. So I'm going to try to trim these to match, but I'm going to go ahead and install them, that way all the holes will be drilled out. So I got these from Affordable Off-Road, and they give you a little bag, comes with all the hardware that you need. But you don't have to cut these out, it just depends on how much your Jeep's cut or if you want to cut any on it. So the front's a little easier than the back because you got some places to get to, and I'm going to use these clamps to kind of hold it in place. And then I'm going to probably drill the top 2 holes in the corner, and that should keep it aligned. Now that we got the armor panel pretty much where we want it at, I'm going to go ahead and start drilling the hose out, and then I'll put a couple of bolts in, and then we can take the clamps back off. So these are pretty easy to install. They give you an Allen head and a nut. The front's pretty easy to get to. You just reach in behind there. Now if your Jeep's not been cut any, you'll probably have a plastic wheel well liner. You'll have to remove that. Okay, so now I got all the bolts in. Now I'm going to make my cuts. And it'll probably be different on yours, just depends on how much you cut on the fenders. So I am going to be trimming quite a bit off there. So these are cut out about the way I want it, and everything seems to fit pretty good. Got all the bolts in. So now that that's done, I can go ahead and take this panel off and get ready to paint it. So of course this is going to be the same for the driver's side also. I've already got it sized up and cut the way I want it. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove these panels and go ahead and paint them. Alright, so I got everything painted and got the armor installed, so I think it turned out pretty good. I went ahead and ran a little bit of clear silicone on the top edges just to keep anything from going down, because you can get some dirt and moisture and stuff trapped in behind it, and that'll cause your panels to start rusting out. I think it turned out pretty good. So that's how you install the front fender armor. I think the passenger side turned out pretty good too. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.